Candy colors. Try a sweet experiment. For this experiment, you'll need color-coded candies, a white plate, a spoon, and warm water. Step 1. Place candies around the edge of the plate. Step 2. Use a spoon to drop warm water over the candy. Step 3. Watch the plate for a few minutes to see what happens. The candies are covered in a coating of sugar and food coloring. The warm water breaks down the coating. Then the food coloring runs off of the candy and onto the plate. Have fun experimenting!